Hi, hello everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy, lazy, elegant fall makeup look. It's going to have minimal products, very simple, easy techniques, and just all around, good old-fashioned, not a lot of stuff to do to get a good look. If you want to see how I got this beautiful, elegant makeup look quickly and easily, please keep watching. I'm going to be using this tinted oil by Maybelline on my face. Shake it up. And I'm going to be using this brush that I got for free from Joa Cosmetics, and I'm going to place some on the brush like that. Get my mirror. I've already put some primer on my face. And I like using serum foundations because they're sheer and they're fast and they just even out the color. It's very lazy thing to do for base makeup. And that's all I do for my base. Now I do use concealer. And I'm going to show you how I use my concealer just on dark spots. As you can see, that really took care of my unevenness. So the concealer is just going to be for dark spots. And I mostly just use it on a little bit of discoloration around my eyes and on my chin. So here, and on my chin. Everyone's placement is going to be a little bit different. This is just how I do it for me. And then I go back to my brush. And this time, instead of rubbing it in, pat. Okay, that's it. Darkness taken care of. One thing that I do not do, because I think it is extraordinarily silly and it does not change your face shape whatsoever, is contour. Every once in a while I will contour a tiny bit, but in general I don't do it. So I go straight in with blush, and I'm lazy. The less brushes I can use, the better. And I only use my fingers. I shouldn't say only use my fingers. I use my fingers 99% of the time for most things. So, blush, I use my fingers. And it's almost always cream or always liquid because they're just the easiest. So, your blush placement really depends on you and what you want to do. And right now I'm going to put it here, just like that. And I'm using the About Face blush, and I'm not sure the color because I'm blind. I'll tell you in the description below what color I'm using. Okay, so that's all you need. Lazy girl. That's it. No contouring, just a base. I'm gonna powder my face, and I lost my powder puff. I left my actually I dropped it. It got left at a friend's house, so I'm using the same powder I normally use, but from the sifter I put the sifter. So this is just arrowroot powder and a puff. I have a powder compact, a refillable one, but I lost it, so dropped it somewhere. I'm loading up a powder puff, and I'm going to place this to start around my eyes and work out from the center. Okay, so now my base makeup is done, and I'm going to move on to eyes. Lazy girls do not do extreme eye makeup looks. We stick to 1 or 2 products on the eyelid or nothing on the eyelid, and that's it, because we're lazy. So today, I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow. I am just going to be using my favorite brown NYX eyeliner, and I am going to make a wing. That's it, because I'm lazy and I don't fool around with all that stuff. So let me show you how I do my eye. And I'm just going to do this one eye on camera. See, just a wing. Put my glasses so you can see what I've done. So we can both see what I've done. Huh. See, just a mini wing, just like that. That's it. That is all a lazy girl does. And then mascara. And I'm going to show you one eye and do the other eye off camera. One eye around, do the other one off camera. So. Okay, so that's one eye done, and I'm going to do the other one off camera, and I shall be right back. Okay, so this is the result of both eyes, the lazy girl method, which is just 1 or 2 products plus mascara, and that's it. And now I'm going to be showing you how a lazy girl does her eyebrows. You do not need 6 products to do your eyebrows, you just don't. You just need 1 product in the right shade that's good for you, and it's super easy. I've lost my eyebrows due to chemo, but I have enough to still look like I have natural eyebrows, so let me show you. I'm just going to brush them through because I powdered them, what I have left, which isn't much. And I'm just going to show you one, and then I'm going to do the other one off camera. So, the only thing I'm going to be using is this L'Oreal Brow Stylist pencil. That's it. I'm not going to be using anything else. Anything more than that is just a lot of product. And it's overkill. So, and it looks like a brow with 1 product. That's all you need is 1 product, and it still has dimension and hair strokes, and it was easy and fast, and most of all, lazy. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera, and I'll be back to show you how I finished the look. Okay, so my eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna move on to lips. And one of the biggest things that I can say about lazy girl makeup is that nothing about the makeup is heavy or overdone. So today I'm just going to be using this NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. I'm using the color, what is the color? Faux Fur, and it's this beautiful orangey, like red color. It's like a brick red. It's very natural color, and it's got orange in it. You'll see when I put it on my lips. Beautiful product. It's blurring, it's lovely, and I don't like to use a ton of this. Well, that's it. That's all I'm going to use on both my lips, because one thing we do not do is pack it on. I'm using a brush because this stuff is heavy and you just need a little bit of it. Goes a long way. And lazy girls do not contour their lips and simply follow their natural lip line. And there's no overdoing it, no overlining or using more than one color. It's just, no. The other thing that I like to avoid as a lazy girl is I want a natural look. I don't want any harsh lines, so it's sort of like a blurry line. It's not a hard line. It's blended in, but not really. It's still a little crisp, so that's it. I'm gonna be back with my jewelry and my hair so you can see what I look like when I'm all put together. Isn't this a beautiful, like, terracotta color? It's so pretty. I love it so much. One of my favorite lipsticks that they've put out this season. I will do a review of it for you, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to get a beautiful makeup look with a little bit of product. So you don't need a lot, you just don't. So, okay, so this is the final look. Everything's done. How easy is that? It didn't require a lot of contouring or hard makeup or anything. And, you know, of course, I got on my hair and jewelry and everything's finished. But it really is a lazy, beautiful, elegant look. And it really is that simple to get a good look. So with makeup, it doesn't require 10 tons of things. So if you like this easy, elegant, lazy girl look, please give me a 2 thumbs up. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve in the comments. And please don't subscribe. And please don't forget to subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.